job from.
They're patient. Nice hook
For round number 8, they both are patient. They both are watching each other. What to do.
Oh! Shot. That was a good shot down the line. Gonna attack. Oh! Shot. That was a good shot down the line.
Grabe, gulat na gulat talaga si Casimero nang masaksihan sa kung paano nga ba tinibag ni Acero ang malakas at mailap na kalaban at naging former world champion sa dalawang magkakaibang dibisyon. Magandang araw sa inyo mga idol. Sa mga idol natin dyan na hindi pa nakakakilala sa boksingerong ito, ay isa po ito sa mga kinatatakutan na kalaban noon dahil sa mailap na galawan, na ginagamit po ang lawak ng ring at kayang-kayang gumawa ng mga puntos habang gumagamit ng footwork para iwasan ang pagbabadyang paglusob ng kalaban. Minsan na rin pong nakaharap ng ating 3-division world champion na si John Rel Casimero ang kubanong ito. Kaya lamang ay dahil nga sa isang flat-footed itong si Casimero, ay kaya naman hindi nito nauunahan ang lokasyon ng ginagalawan nitong si Rigondeaux. Ang naging laban ni Rigondeaux at Casimero ay ang pinakamasirabling laban na naitala sa boxing. Ito'y dahil sa maliit na bilang ng mga naipatamang suntok na kung saan ay panay iwasan at takbuhan na lamang ang nangyari sa kanilang naging sagupaan. Ngayon ay nag-iba na ito nang ito na pong si Vincent de Acero Astrolabio ang humarap sa mailap na boksingerong ito. Ito po'y dahil sa talagang nagiba ng gusto ni Acero ang isang Rigondeaux, na nauunahan ng paggalaw ni Rigondeaux bago pa ito makaiwas sa paglusob na ginagawa ng ating kababayan. Ang King Bilis ang naging pangunahing sandata nitong ating kababayan na si Acero, para sa gayon nga ay may dumina ang kanyang mailap na kalaban. At ang laban din po na ito ay ang pagpapainit natin mga idol para sa nalalapit na world title fight itong ating kababayan na si Vincent Astrolabio kontra sa undefeated WBC Bantamweight World Champion na si Junto Nakadani. Kaya naman huwag na po natin patagalin pa at sabay-sabay po muna natin ngayong panoorin ang laban ng Vincent de Acero Astrolabio at Guillermo El Chacal Rigondeaux.
Good start from the first.
I would give him the first round. But man, this is Rigondeaux.
Second round.
Nice back.
Of course, he's respecting his opponent's power.
Vincent.
Nice body shot.
Good. That's coming from good. Good job. Cannot step in with it.
You see,
Like he was doing warm up for my side. And like he can change the.
right now. You see,
Oh,
good defense, good beautiful defense.
Yeah, maybe like this his strategy, like give one round and take
All of this. Vincent, he can't get pressure defensive fighter.
round number 3.
Good job from Vincent.
Guillermo, you know, like
Too slick for
too
that.
slick for that.
Oh, good shot from Vincent. Good uppercut from Vincent. Good
Go for one power punch. You should like for that, and if he have seen.
Nicholas.
whatever he's doing, to be honest,
Yeah.
from the first round, just keeping his jab and keeping it.
You see, Vincent is hesitant to come in. Beautiful.
Yeah. I think Rigondeaux is still playing.
Oh, good
Nice
shot.
back.
Good body shot. He has good power. You can see from his. There we go.
No, Filipino.
Our home country fighter.
But you know there was one song.
Rigondeaux. Good job. Nice try by Vincent.
Oh,
Beautiful. Good. Oh, good counter by.
Not leaving any chance.
Oh, good shot.
Oh,
good job.
prediction.
Good counter shot.
Just see from before.
Footwork.
Last instance.
Oh, Drive.
Yeah. Let's go to the front.
Round number 5. There we go. People's fighter.
The fight is. Oh, good shot.
But you see,
Good job from.
Good. It's a killer movement.
Just watching the right time, right?
Yeah, exactly.
See?
For so long now.
Fighting.
Using that face. Oh, good body
Oh,
shot.
Guillermo. Have a
Look
good
at that.
push.
In boxing, don't forget that.
Yeah, I mean,
Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao.
oh, good shot from Rigondeaux. Very precise. Rigondeaux is throwing the more precise. They're not landing more.
Here we go, round number 6.
Both boxers.
Oh,
Good
Oh.
job.
good shots from Match. Match first, no.
Nice ring trap.
An amazing show.
They're enjoying the event.
You see, Vincent is a bit hesitant to come under him.
Like,
Hey, he's gonna get caught. Oh, you see,
Even-
either the body shot, the uppercut. Look, you see, beautiful. Round number 7. The crowd.
Oh,
Good exchange from both fighters.
what a very nice.
that one I was saying, like Rigondeaux is wetting. Like,
Shot.
yeah.
Good. Oh,
Man at work.
man, that was.
Good job.
Oh, good shot. Oh, good shot from Vincent.
like
He's
it
not
goes.
facing him, no. Oh, good. Oh. Hey, believable. It's
It's
something
still like same, like oh.
since he was young. Yeah. Great. Oh, Vincent. Oh.
Oh, turn to me. Of this gentleman here, yeah? He's always trying to.
Just trying to be slick with something. Oh, nice shot from Vincent. Nice body.
Like Vincent is trying to give shot, but nice overhand.
Job from.
They're great. Nice hook.
For round number 8, they both are present. They both are watching each other. Watching this.
Oh, shot. That was a good shot down the line. Gonna attack.
I guess that Vincent was looking for this for a long time. Oh,
Rigondeaux is still wobbly.
oh,
Rigondeaux is still wobbly. Oh, he's still.
oh. 20 more seconds, guys.
Careful, and Rigondeaux is
Oh, he needs to survive.
round number 9 between
Rigondeaux.
Rigo and one of the best upcoming. And
Oh, good shot. Covered.
yeah, he's still trying.
He's known to be a doctor in boxing.
Like Vincent is still.
Shot from Vincent. Oh, good shot
Good
from
job from
Vincent.
Rigondeaux. Let's go to the 9th round.
Oh, good shot.
Well, I think like Rigondeaux is come back.
Recovered from that.
Against to go to the
Number 10. Last round.
round number 9. Round number 10.
As you can see, like crowds are.
Beautiful.
Oh, a nice one too. Rigondeaux has an unpredictable.
Good body shot. Oh, good movement. Yeah.
Two more pressure. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Oh,
Good
good
job
shot.
from Rigondeaux.
Final round.
Good body.
The WBC International Bantamweight Champion, Vincent Astrolavia.
Oh my God.
I told you.
Oh, wow.